Hello and welcome to this tutorial on creating a table of contents in Microsoft Word. A table of contents can help your readers navigate your document with ease. Let's get started. First, make sure your document is properly structured with headings. Word uses these headings to generate the table of contents. Headings are categorized as Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3, and so on. Use Heading 1 for main titles, Heading 2 for subtopics, and Heading 3 for subtopics. You can apply headings by selecting the text and choosing the appropriate heading style from the Home tab. Under Styles, we use Apply Styles to categorize our document faster. We start with the main title, we highlight it and change it to Heading 1. Then we select the subtitles and change the style to Heading 2. And finally change the styles of subtitles to Heading 3. Now, let's insert the table of contents. Place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. Go to the References tab and click on Table of Contents. You'll see a drop-down menu with different formats. Choose a format that suits your document. For this tutorial, we'll select the Automatic Table 1 option. Word will automatically generate a table of contents based on your headings. If you make any changes to your document, like adding or removing sections, you can easily update the table of contents. To update it, simply click on the table of contents, then click Update Table. You can choose to update the entire table or just the page numbers. We can further change the format of your table of contents by going to Custom Table of Contents, then Format. And that's it. You've successfully created a table of contents in Microsoft Word. This will make your document more organized and professional. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.